wigglies.
Boo. Marco, she's trying to chew on you.
That's just fine. Look. That was actually biting on me. That wasn't nibbling. That was trying to eat me.
Look at, he keeps trying to bite me.
Hey, big butt. Hey, big butt.
That's big boy.
That's big butt. How you doing? How's your day been going?